In the vast, captivating expanse of the universe, few stars have caught the imagination of scientists and the public alike quite like Betelgeuse. This massive red supergiant, located in the constellation of Orion, has long been a subject of fascination due to its size, brightness, and the fact that it is nearing the end of its life. Now, it's making headlines again, as science communicator and educator Bill Nye recently highlighted an extraordinary discovery. The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, has detected a sudden 250% increase in Betelgeuse's brightness, sparking excitement and curiosity in the astronomical community. Betelgeuse, the red supergiant. Betelgeuse is one of the most recognizable stars in the night sky. It's a red supergiant, a type of star that forms when a star of at least 10 times the mass of the Sun burns through its hydrogen fuel and begins fusing heavier elements. In the case of Betelgeuse, it has expanded to a massive size. If placed in the center of our solar system, it would stretch out to engulf the orbits of Mercury, Venus, Earth, and possibly even Mars. For years, Betelgeuse has been under close observation. One reason for this intense scrutiny is that the star is expected to explode as a supernova in the relatively near future. Astronomically speaking, this could be anywhere from tomorrow to 100,000 years from now. When it does, it will create one of the most spectacular celestial events observable from Earth, outshining even the full moon for a brief period. The sudden increase in brightness. The recent 250% increase in Betelgeuse's brightness is an unprecedented phenomenon. Normally, stars fluctuate in brightness due to various internal and external factors, but such a drastic and sudden change is highly unusual. Astronomers were surprised when the James Webb Space Telescope, humanity's most powerful and advanced space observatory, captured data showing this remarkable surge in luminosity. Bill Nye, known for making complex scientific discoveries accessible to the general public, was quick to share the significance of this discovery. During an interview, he stated, "The universe is constantly evolving, and Betelgeuse's recent behavior reminds us how dynamic and unpredictable the cosmos can be." The James Webb Telescope's observation is a game-changer, giving us an unprecedented window into the life cycle of one of the most fascinating stars in our galaxy. The sudden brightening raises important questions about what's happening inside Betelgeuse. Is it nearing the final stages of its life? Could this be a precursor to its much-anticipated supernova event? While it's too early to say definitively, the data gathered from this event provides an exciting opportunity for astronomers to deepen their understanding of stellar evolution. What could be causing Betelgeuse's brightness surge? There are several potential explanations for this sudden surge in Betelgeuse's brightness. Some scientists believe it could be linked to a convective process inside the star. Betelgeuse, like other red supergiants, undergoes convective cycles where heat from the core rises toward the outer layers of the star, causing variations in brightness. Another possibility is that the star is shedding material from its outer layers. Stars of Betelgeuse's size often lose mass as they near the end of their lives, expelling gas and dust into space. This process could momentarily make the star appear brighter as it expels these outer layers, temporarily clearing the view for observers and allowing more light to escape. There's also the intriguing possibility that Betelgeuse's sudden increase in brightness could be linked to the final stages of its life cycle. Some astronomers speculate that this could be a precursor to the star going supernova, though it's important to note that such events are notoriously difficult to predict. While the surge in brightness is significant, it may still be decades, centuries, or even millennia before Betelgeuse ultimately explodes. The role of the James Webb Space Telescope. The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, was launched in December 2021 with the mission of studying the universe in unprecedented detail. Unlike its predecessor, the Hubble Space Telescope, JWST is designed to observe the cosmos primarily in the infrared spectrum, which allows it to see through cosmic dust and observe distant stars and galaxies in ways that were previously impossible. JWST's ability to capture the sudden brightening of Betelgeuse highlights its power and significance in modern astronomy. Not only is the telescope helping to answer some of the biggest questions about the universe's formation and evolution, but it is also allowing scientists to monitor stars like Betelgeuse with a level of precision that was unimaginable just a few years ago. This new data on Betelgeuse's brightness surge is just one example of how JWST is revolutionizing our understanding of the cosmos. Its infrared instruments have provided detailed images and data about the star's surface and the gases and dust that surround it, offering clues as to what might be driving this sudden brightening. Betelgeuse's great dimming of 2019 to 2020. This isn't the first time Betelgeuse has demonstrated strange behavior. Between late 2019 and early 2020, unimaginable just a few years ago. This new data on Betelgeuse's brightness surge is just one example of how JWST is revolutionizing our understanding of the cosmos. Its infrared instruments have provided detailed images and data about the star's surface and the gases and dust that surround it, offering clues as to what might be driving this sudden brightening. Betelgeuse's great dimming of 2019 to 2020. This isn't the first time Betelgeuse has demonstrated strange behavior. Between late 2019 and early 2020, the star underwent what is now referred to as the Great Dimming, where its brightness dropped by an astonishing 60%. This event led to widespread speculation that Betelgeuse might be about to explode as a supernova. However, subsequent observations showed that the dimming was likely caused by a cloud of dust that the star had ejected, which temporarily obscured its light from reaching Earth. The sudden brightening detected by JWST might be a continuation of this strange behavior. Some astronomers suggest that Betelgeuse could be experiencing a cycle of brightness fluctuations related to its advanced stage in stellar evolution. If so, this could offer invaluable insights into the final stages of a supergiant star's life. What happens if Betelgeuse goes supernova? If Betelgeuse does go supernova, it will be one of the most significant celestial events ever witnessed by humanity. The explosion would be so bright that it would be visible during the daytime and might even cast shadows on Earth at night. For a few weeks, Betelgeuse would outshine every object in the night sky except for the moon, and the event would be visible to the naked eye without the need for telescopes. However, despite the star's proximity to Earth, about 642 light-years away, there's no danger posed to our planet. While supernovae release enormous amounts of energy, including harmful radiation, Betelgeuse is too far away for these effects to reach Earth in any significant way. Astronomers are excited by the prospect of witnessing a supernova within our galaxy, as it would provide an unparalleled opportunity to study the mechanics of stellar explosions and the formation of neutron stars or black holes. The last time a supernova was visible to the naked eye from Earth was in 1604, when Johannes Kepler observed what is now known as Kepler's supernova. Bill Nye's perspective, a moment for science. Bill Nye's enthusiasm about the sudden increase in Betelgeuse's brightness reflects the broader excitement in the scientific community. As someone who has spent decades promoting scientific literacy, Nye sees this event as an opportunity to engage the public in astronomy and the broader sciences. The universe is full of surprises, and events like this remind us just how little we truly understand about the cosmos, Nye said. But thanks to tools like the James Webb Space Telescope, we're getting closer every day to answering some of the biggest questions about how stars live and die. This is a moment for all of us to appreciate the wonders of science and the incredible progress we're making. What's next for Betelgeuse? While it's impossible to predict exactly what will happen next, astronomers will continue to monitor Betelgeuse closely in the coming months and years. The star's sudden increase in brightness is a reminder that, even after centuries of observation, the universe still holds many mysteries. The James Webb Space Telescope will undoubtedly play a crucial role in unraveling these mysteries. With its ability to observe stars and other celestial objects in unprecedented detail, it may help scientists uncover the mechanisms behind Betelgeuse's strange behavior, and perhaps even catch the first signs of its eventual explosion. In the meantime, Betelgeuse will remain a star to watch, both for professional astronomers and amateur stargazers alike. As Bill Nye put it, there's no telling what the universe has in store for us next, but one thing's for sure, it's going to be amazing.